Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Are you managing a Telegram group and want to prevent message flooding? Or perhaps you want to control the pace of conversations during busy discussions? That's where slow mode comes in. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to enable and disable slow mode on Telegram, using a simple and clear method. Whether you're using an Android phone, iPhone, or desktop version, this feature works similarly across devices. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app and go to the group you manage. Tap the group name or profile picture at the top to open group info. Tap the pencil, edit, icon, usually found at the top right. Go to permissions. Scroll down until you see slow mode. Tap on it and you'll see various time intervals, such as 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and more. Choose the delay you want. For example, if you select 30 seconds, each member can only send one message every 30 seconds. Tap Done or the check mark to save the setting. That's it. Slow mode is now active in your group. Once it's enabled, users must wait a set amount of time before sending another message. This helps reduce spam, keeps discussions more organized, and gives everyone a fair chance to speak. So, how to disable slow mode? Follow the same steps, and go to the group you manage. Tap the group name or profile picture at the top to open group info. Tap the pencil edit icon usually found at the top right. Go to permissions, scroll down until you see slow mode, then select off to disable it completely. Save your changes. Now your group will go back to normal messaging speed, with no time restrictions. Remember, only group admins have the ability to change slow mode settings. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.